Good afternoon from Santa Clara. So yeah guys, so it's been a very long time since I last railfanned here. I just started my vacation last night, so I flew up from LA to San Jose. My flight out of LA was a little bit late, but I landed in San Jose on time at 10:30 p.m. last night. So yeah guys, so I'm going to be railfanning here for a little bit today. Tomorrow I will be railfanning at Emeryville for most of the day. But yeah, I'm here at the Santa Clara Caltrain station right now. Like I said, I haven't railfanned here in a very long time. Yeah, so today's Friday, so I took off the day, and then next week for my work, everyone is off. But yeah, with that being said, it's 12:46 right now. So right now I have Caltrain 509 approaching me. Northbound limited service from San Jose to San Francisco. Yeah, so this train should be up in the city in about an hour from now. So yeah, so this will be my last time filming the gallery sets, because from August 11th until September 21st of this year, they're slowly going to retire the gallery sets for Caltrain. So after September 21st of this year, guys, the gallery cars are no longer going to be running for Caltrain. So instead, the EMUs are going to be taking over. So they'll be doing service north of San Jose to San Francisco with a new schedule. And then the Bombardier sets, they will be operating south of San Jose to Gilroy. So for that, they're going to do a new whole schedule for Caltrain. But yeah, we have a 4-car gallery set on 509 today. But yeah, it's nice to be up here again. The last time I was here in the Bay Area was about 2 months ago. I came at the end of May, and then I went railfanning at Modesto for a while. So yeah. Okay, 12:47 right now. This train should be leaving for San Francisco right now. And in a couple of minutes behind 509, guys, will be Caltrain 119 with local service up to San Francisco. So yeah. Alright guys, he's leaving right now from track number 2. Let's see what we have. Yep, limited service. .4017 bike car, 3860 wheelchair car, 3807 luggage, 4023 bike car wheelchair car. Nice, and then 909 car. Guys, so today on 509, with service up to San Francisco, we have 4017 leading and then 909 Menlo Park trailing. Alright, so it's a minute before 1 right now, so I just had 119 pull in. So yeah, 119 is leaving for the city right now. So yeah, 119 leaving for the city right now. .4011 bike car, 3862 wheelchair car, 3801 luggage, 3830 bike car. Nice, and then 922 Tamian. I thought it was going to be 921, but it was actually 922 at the back. So yeah guys, so today on 119 with local service up to San Francisco for King of the Day, I have 4011 bike car leading, and then with 922 Tamian trailing. Alrighty, and it's now 1:10 p.m. So approaching into Santa Clara about 2 to 3 minutes late today. Southbound Caltrain 116 with local service from San Francisco for King to San Jose, they're done. Here he is arriving in right now. F40 and gallery set. And there's a fly. Oh, looks like 914's leading. Very nice. leading. 3831 by car. 3811 luggage. 3861 wheelchair car. And then at the back is 4016. Guys, so today on Caltrain 116, so on the southbound local service train from San Francisco Fort King to San Jose of the day, I have 914 after 10 leading, and then with 4016 by car trailing. Alright, it is now 1:23 p.m., so arriving into Santa Clara right now is southbound Caltrain 510 with limited service from San Francisco Fort King to San Jose of the day. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, it looks like, oh nice, 917's leading. Leading, 4020 by car, 3823 wheelchair car, luggage car, 3858 wheelchair car, and then at the back is 4019 by car. So yeah guys, so today on Caltrain 510, so on the southbound limited service from San Francisco to San Jose of the day, I have 917 Gilroy leading, and then with 4019 by car trailing. Alrighty, it is now 1:46 p.m. So approaching into the station right now is northbound limited service 511 to Fort King of the day. Oh wow! This is my first time catching 115 with the E-Bell. Guys, if you get this message, 115 is leading on 511 today, so it has the E-Bell. So yeah, this is my first time catching 115 with the E-Bell. Guys, if you get this message, 115 is leading on 511 today, so it has the E-Bell. So yeah, this is my first time catching 115 with the E-Bell. Let me go back to the schedules. All right, here we go. I think it's leaving now. Okay guys, 511 is leaving Santa Clara right now. So at about 2:55, it should be up at its final destination of San Francisco Fort King. $115 224 code, 225 code, 164 code, 329 code. Nice, nice. Guys, so today on 511, we have northbound limited service to San Francisco for King of the day. Guys, we have cab car 115 leading, and then with MP36PH-3C 925 Jackie Spear trailing. It is now 3 minutes before 2 in the afternoon. So I have 121 pulling into Santa Clara right now. So yeah guys, so this is a northbound local service making every single stop up to San Francisco Fort King. Yeah, so far I've seen 4 gallery sets and 1 Bombardier set. So yeah. And then in about 10 minutes from now, 118 is going to be here to Tamian. Alright guys, here goes Caltrain 121 to San Francisco. Let's see what we have leading today. We have nice 4001 leading, 4001 leading, 3855 Wilson car, 3803 luggage, 4013 bike car. Nice, and then guys, so today on 121 northbound to San Francisco, making every local stop. Guys, I have 4001 bike car leading, and then with 912 San Bruno trailing. Here is Caltrain 118, southbound local service to Tamian of the day, making every local stop. Yeah, let's see what we have leading today. Alright, so another gallery set. Nice. Looks like I have 916 California. California, 3827 bike car, 3814 luggage, 3812 luggage, and then at the back is 4026 bike car in. Alright guys, it's 2:18 right now. So right now I have 512 approaching in right now. Of a 5-car Bombardier set. Alright, here we go. It is 926. 926, 181 by car, 178 by car, 222 coach, and then 113 at the back. So it's actually a 4-car Bombardier set today. So yeah guys, so today on Caltrain 512, so on the southbound limited service from San Francisco Fourth and King up until Tamian for today. Guys, I have MP36PH-3C, 926 leading, and then with cab car 113 trailing. Alrighty guys, it is now 2:46 p.m. So now pulling into the station right now is northbound Caltrain 513, limited service to San Francisco Fourth and King. Alright, I think this might be the set from 510 I saw earlier. So I think 4019 is leading, and then with 917 at the back, most likely. Yeah. Yeah, so after Santa Clara for 513, he's gonna stop at Sunnyvale, Mountain View, Palo Alto, Menlo Park, Redwood City, Hillsdale, San Mateo, Millbrae, 22nd Street, and then San Francisco, Fourth and King. So yeah guys, so 541 westbound Capital Quarter train from Sacramento to San Jose for the day. It's supposed to be here right now, but he's running about 10 minutes late today. So yeah guys, so 513 is leaving for the city right now. Yeah, I think this is the set from 510 I saw earlier. So most likely it might have 4019, but we might have a different set, but we'll see. Alright, leading it is, yep, 4019 is leading. 4019 bike car, 38 Ultra car, 3823 luggage, 4025 car. That was the same set I saw from 510 earlier. So yeah guys, so today on 513, so on this northbound limited train up to San Francisco for today, it was with 4019 bike car leading, and then with 917 Gilroy trailing. Alright guys, it's 2:53 right now. So pulling in into Santa Clara about 5 to 6 minutes late today is Capital Quarter Train 541 westbound service from Sacramento to San Jose of the day. Oh yeah, it's definitely 2104 leading. 2104, 8008 to Stanislaus River, 8202 to San Diego Bay, 8811 Antelope Valley, and 8303 Mount Diablo. So yeah, he left Sacramento on time today, a minute late at 11:56. So after Sacramento, he made the following station stops at Davis, Fairfield, Vacaville, Sassoon, Fairfield, Martinez, Richmond, Berkeley, Emeryville, Oakland, Jack London, Oakland Coliseum, Hayward, Fremont, Santa Clara, Great America, Santa Clara University, and then its final destination will be of San Jose Dirdon. So yeah guys, so today on 541, on this westbound Capital Quarter train from Sacramento to San Jose of the afternoon. Guys, I have Siemens Charger SC44, 2104 leading, and then with 8303 Mount Diablo trailing. It is now 2 minutes before 3 in the afternoon. Guys, so right now I have 123 that just pulled into the station right now. So yeah guys, so this is a northbound local train from Tamian to San Francisco of the day, making air local stop. So yeah, so I think this is the set from 118 I saw earlier. It might be a different set, so we'll see. Alright guys, 123 is leaving right now for the city. Leading the set, 3852 Wilshire car, 3809 luggage, 3833 flat car. Nice, and then 901 San Jose. Guys, so today on Caltrain 123, so on this northbound local train from Tamian to San Francisco for King of the day, making local stops. Guys, we'll have 4008 by car leading, and then with 901 San Jose trailing. Alright guys, it's now 3:07, so right now I have Caltrain 120 pulling in. So I either have 921 or 920 leading on the southbound local train from the city today. Man, who's giving me a horn show? Probably the engineer. Oh, it's definitely 920 leading. Oh, never mind, it's 921. 3834 by car, 3825 luggage, 3853 Wilshire car, and then at the back is 4024 by car and Wilshire car. Guys, so today on Caltrain 120, so on the southbound local train from San Francisco to San Jose of the day, making local stops, I have 921 leading, so I have 921 San Martin leading, and then with 4024 by car and Wilshire car trailing. Alright guys, it's 3:10 p.m. right now, so I just had a Caltrain 120 leave like literally a minute ago. Right now guys, I have Capital Quarter Train 538 service to Auburn. So after they're done for 538 up to Auburn for today, we'll be making the following station stops at Great America, Fremont, Hayward, Oakland Coliseum, Oakland Jack London, Emeryville, Berkeley, Richmond, Martinez, Susan, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, Sacramento, Roseville, Rockland, and final destination of Auburn. All aboard! Alright. I think that's 83-12 leading, I think. Nice. Highball 538. Yep, so tomorrow the set will be on 729 that I'll be catching at Emeryville. So yeah. Indeed it is 83-12 leading. $83.12 Mount Inyo, $88.01 to San Joaquin Valley, $82.05 to Monterey Bay, $80.09 to Santa Ana River, and then guys, so today on Capital Quarter Train 538 with service to Auburn, I have 83.12 Mount Inyo leading, and then with Siemens Charger SC44 2101 trailing. Alright guys, it's 3:20 p.m. right now, so right now I have Caltrain 514 pulling in right now. I think I have a 5-car set, 5-car Bombardier set today. Alright, here we go. I have 927 leading. 927 leading, 220 coach, 179 by car, 232 coach, 226 coach, and cab car 118 at the back. So yeah, guys, so here is Caltrain 514 with limit service 2. Okay. So yeah, so 927 and 118 today on a 5-car set. Huh, that's weird. I'm at 2 bars on my camera already. That's kind of weird. Alright guys, here goes 514 to San Jose. Alright guys, here is 307. Man, he's on the move. $113 and $926 on 307 today. Alrighty guys, it is now 3:39 p.m. So this will be the last train I'll be catching here at Santa Clara for today. But guys, right now I have ACE train number 4, eastbound to Stockton, now pulling in on track number 1. Yeah, so he just left San Jose a couple minutes ago, so now he's pulling in into Santa Clara. Guys, so after Santa Clara for ACE train number 4 to Stockton, he'll be stopping at Great America, Fremont, Pleasanton, Livermore, Vasco, Tracy, Lathrop, and final destination of Stockton. I think 3307 is leading. So yeah, this is a 7-car set for ACE. But yeah, overall, I had a nice time here railfanning at the Santa Clara station again. Yeah, haven't been here in a really long time. I'm definitely gonna miss the gallery sets for sure, but the EMU sets are gonna be a big change for everyone. So yeah, so next time I'm back up here, I'm definitely gonna be riding the EMU sets for the very first time. I don't know what set I'm gonna be on, but we'll see. So yeah. The gallery cars lived a long life, guys, but you know, it's time for them to go. because the EMUs are starting service very soon. So yeah. But anyways, I'm just waiting for ACE train number 4 to leave. And the horns on the ACE cab cars are extremely loud. In my opinion, they're way louder than the Caltrain EMU horns. So yeah. Alright guys, ACE train number 4 is leaving now. And then after this video, I'll be done for the day. Cab car 3307. 3307, 3215 coach, 3218 coach, 3210 coach, 3203 coach, 3202 coach, 3219 coach, and then with Siemens Charger SC44, 3111 at the back. So yeah guys, so today on ACE train number 4, the first eastbound train back up to Stockton of the day. Guys, I have cab car 3307 leading, and then with Siemens Charger SC44, 3111 trailing. I don't know when I'm gonna railfan here at Santa Clara again, guys, but yeah, I had a nice little time here today. I don't know when I'm gonna railfan here again, but until next time. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm going to Emeryville for the day. Well, thank you guys for watching this nice little video here at Santa Clara for today. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. And, you know, I'll try to upload a video whenever I have time. But yeah, it's 3:43 right now. Just gonna wait for the horn to pass, and then I'm gonna head out. Yeah. Alrighty guys, well, I will see you guys in the next video. And have a good one.